The Pacific Palisades fire ignited on January 7, 2025, under extreme drought conditions and powerful Santa Ana winds. The blaze spread quickly, consuming 23,448 acres before being fully contained by the end of the month. Thousands of homes, businesses, and structures were lost or severely damaged, displacing residents and leaving entire neighborhoods devastated. The economic toll is staggering. With property losses, emergency response efforts, and rebuilding costs estimated to reach billions of dollars. Fire crews battled relentless winds and difficult terrain, working tirelessly to contain the flames. Families were forced to evacuate on short notice, and in the aftermath, disaster relief efforts continue to assist those impacted. Rebuilding these communities will be a long and difficult process. The increasing frequency and intensity of wildfires in California underscore the ongoing challenges of climate change, urban expansion, and fire prevention. As recovery begins, the resilience of these communities will be tested, and future disaster mitigation efforts remain a top priority. This aerial footage was captured for the purpose of documenting the fire damage for specific homeowners and insurance claims. Providing accurate visual records helps expedite the claims process, ensuring that those affected receive the support they need to rebuild and recover. Thanks for watching.